خير خلق الله محمد. Others slept while others ate. He'd fast while they would love. He wept until he breathed his last. His only wish was for us to be among the ones who prosper.